Good morning to all. Now I am going to explain about a Bluetooth-based monitoring and appliance control system using Arduino Uno. For this experiment, we should require the hardware and software. The hardware stuff we should require the laptop or a computer with Arduino IDE. And the next one is Arduino Uno board. It is a 8-bit microcontroller board. And next one is interfacing devices, relay modules and Bluetooth module that may be SC05 or RNBT Bluetooth module. And we should require one AC bulb. Here we want to monitoring and control the appliances. Here I want to control the AC bulb, whether we want to turn on and turn off based on the sensor values. Here the softwares Arduino IDE. Already we know that Arduino IDE is a open source IDE platform for Arduino based board. And another one we are using the Bluetooth app, that is the BT Terminal app. It is used for BT Terminal app used for to monitoring and control the appliances from mobile using Bluetooth. Next one is the circuit diagram is Bluetooth based monitoring in appliance control system. Here the microcontroller is our Arduino IDE, and a LM35. This is the temperature sensor. It is used for to measure the temperature. LDR means light dependent resistance. It is mainly used for to measure the light intensity, whether light intensity in the room is high or low. And a Bluetooth module that may be SC05 or RNBT module. Here we can connect the relay module to the microcontroller, and the AC bulb is connected to the out of the relay module. Here the receiver side, we are using our Android based or iOS mobile using BT Terminal app, that is the Bluetooth app. On the mobile, we can see the temperature is some value and LDR ADC some value, and based on these values, we want to monitoring and we want to control the appliances as the transmitters. Already we know that this is the Arduino Uno board. It is a microcontroller based board. Already I have explained in the previous videos. Here the LM35 is the temperature sensor. It is mainly used for to measure the temperature sensor. The property of temperature sensor is 10 millivolts for 1 degree centigrade. That meaning that if the temperature is 1 degree centigrade, it will give the output as 10 millivolts. It doesn't give the temperature directly. It will give the voltage with respect to temperature. Suppose if the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, it will give the output as 300 millivolts. That output voltage is given to the analog pin of Arduino. It is basically 3-pin IC. First pin is 5 volts, second pin is the middle pin is the output pin that is connected to the analog pin of Arduino, and the third pin is the ground. This is the interfacing LM35 with Arduino Uno. This is the temperature sensor. VSE should be connected to 5 volts and ground should be connected to ground. And the Vout, that is the analog output voltage pin, is connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino Uno. Internally, Arduino Uno is having internal ADC. It will convert that analog voltage into digital. From that digital value, we should convert into voltage. Again, we should convert that voltage into temperature. According to our formula is 10 millivolts for 1 degree centigrade. Here the LDR, light dependent resistor, it is used to measure the light intensity. The circuit connection is, if you are taking any resistor, that should be connected to 5 volts. One terminal is connected to 5 volts and another terminal is connected to the some LDR, light dependent resistor. Another terminal of LDR is connected to the ground, and one terminal is connected to in between the resistor of another end. In between, we are taking the output voltage. That voltage is given to any one pin of the Arduino Uno. That may be A0 or A1 or A5. It's the relay module. It is mainly used for to control the AC operated devices, maybe fan or 230 volts AC bulb or AC fan. it is mainly operating on 5 volts. Okay. If you are giving the 0 volts means the bulb should be on. If you are giving 1 means bulb should be off. This is the circuit diagram for a connection between Arduino and relay module. The 5 volts is connected to VCC and the uh, input pin is connected to the any pin of Arduino. In our case, I am connected to pin 13. And the ground is connected to ground, and it has a relay module has three output pins: normally open, common pin, and normally closed. We are using normally open and common. Normally open pin is connected to the one wire to the AC bulb, and the common pin is connected to the AC supply. This is the Bluetooth model. This is the SC05 model, and another one is RNBT model. SC05 is working on 5 volts. RNBT model is working on 3.3 volts. For any Bluetooth model, main pins are 4 pins: VCC, ground, TX, and RX. The frequency is, it is operating on frequency 2.4 gigahertz. It is the ISM band, means in industrial, scientific, and medical band. This is the interfacing between Bluetooth module with microcontroller unit. Here, Bluetooth TX pin of Bluetooth is connected to the RX pin of Arduino, and the RX pin of Bluetooth is connected to the TX pin of Bluetooth. Again, RX pin of Bluetooth is connected to the TX pin of Arduino. Just vice versa. This is the connection. Pin mapping between Bluetooth and Arduino. This is the interfacing schematic diagram. Next, if you see the code, okay, in between Arduino to Bluetooth module, it is a serial communication. So we must use the serial communication command serial.begin. Generally, we are writing 9600 baud, but RNBT module is working on 115200. Okay, we should use the baud rate is 115200. Next, while loop. First, we want to read the temperature reading. That is integer a equal unlog read of A0. Unlog read of A0 is the function call. Using that function call, we will get the ADC reading of the temperature sensor. From that ADC value, we should convert into temperature. The formula is float T equal A into 500 by 1024. Temperature sensor doesn't give the temperature. It will give the voltage. That voltage is given to the analog pin of Arduino. Internally, there is a ADC is there in Arduino. It will convert analog to digital value. That value is obtained from by calling the analog read of A0. Similarly, integer b equal analog read of A1, because LDR sensor is connected to A1. By calling analog read of A1, we will get the ADC reading of LDR sensor. Suppose we want to send the values to serial mobile through Bluetooth module. Serial.println sensor readings are sent to the mobile through Bluetooth. Next, we want to display temperature reading is that is the value is temperature value is available in T. That is the float T equal A into 500 by 102324. It will give the temperature that is will be available in T. Next, I want to display I want to send the values LDR sensor readings are ADC reading and B. And we are seeing these values on the Bluetooth, okay, in BT terminal app or Bluetooth app. If any values are exceed, I want to control some devices. Suppose the light intensity is less in the room, I want to turn on the bulb. Suppose if the light intensity is high, I want to turn on the light intensity is high, I want to turn off. If the light intensity is low, means I want to turn on the bulb. If I'm sending the commands from mobile to the Arduino while of serial dot available. I want to check whether data is available, whether data is coming from the Bluetooth module or not. If it is coming, means I want to read it. I want to compare it whether we are sending 1 or 2. If you are sending 1, means I want to turn on the bulb. If A equal 1 means digital drive 13 low 230 volts AC bulb on. As if A equal 2 means I want to turn off the bulb. 13, I means it should be off. Delay. Okay. Suppose same thing we want to see on the Arduino IDE. This is the Bluetooth based experiment. Okay. Before going to upload, first you can go to tools. Board must be, and port must be activated with some name. Port with COM4 Arduino. I've already uploaded that code into our board. I want to see the values on the serial monitor. Go to screen. Serial monitor, we are getting the values as to see the values on the serial monitor. We are getting the temperature sensor as 34 degrees. The LER ADC reading is 825. If we are closing the LDR sensor, we are getting the values are LDR ADC reading is more. That is nothing. We are closing the LDR sensor reading is nothing but the light intensity is less. This is my setup. Okay. Arduino board with setup. If you are sending 2 means bulb should be off. We are see the values on the serial monitor. Go to share. This is my connection. We are sending the 2 means bulb should be off. We are sending the 1 means bulb should be on. Similarly, we can control and monitoring the appliance from the Bluetooth.